You have, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but I think it says, mas maraming eksena, mas mahaba, maraming eksena hindi napanood sa Prime because we had to condense everything and comply with the 14 episode of Prime. But the ABS-CBN version will be much longer, much more detailed because we still have a lot of scenes that we shot ourselves that we haven't seen. So it's going to be more exciting. So something new for our viewers to look forward to on future.
Ano masasabi niyo ng mga snippets na nagpo-viral? Grabe yung puksaan daw ng, that's the term, puksaan ng acting between Sharon, Julia, Janice, Jenica, etc.
Oh my God, they were all such great actors. Ang sarap magtrabaho pag you're on the same page. Everyone gives their best. Everyone brings their A game. Na parang pag take, sinabi nito, action, you have to give your all. So it's really a team effort. Every scene has been a team effort. And everybody was given their own highlights. That's so special. And you know, you work with Janice or with Julia, with Jenica, and the rest of them. Wala kang hahanapin. You don't have to think of the performance of your co-actors. You have to mind your own. You have to do your best. And that was so rewarding. I love working with them. I love them.
May upcoming teleserye ba ni Sharon after seeing Grace?
Humingi ako sa ABS, so hindi ko alam kung kailan. Oh, pero sabi ko, first teleserye ko na full on So parang sabi ko nung umpisa, ang hirap ko. And pag movies, takes you 3 months to make a 2-hour product, di ba? Ito parang just, ilang to, eksena in a day. Kami noon parang marami na yung 7 or 8. Sobra na yung bata pa ako. Minsan 3 to 5 na lang. Diyos ko dito, 20. O ganun talaga. So, kasi it's a teleserye. You have to, So, but you know what? After the first week or 2, wala na, sanay na. I was so happy na. My last, taping days, puro highlights yung shoot ko. Parang di ko man napansin. Kasi gusto ko nakahiga ako, naiyak lang ako na dito.
Pag niyaya po kayo ni Coco for Batang Quiapo?
What? Anytime. Anak ko yun eh.
Laban.
Wag lang bold pa yun. Pero hindi. On second thought, dream ko yun eh, maging bold. Nakakatuwa si Coco. Noong pa niya sinasabi, Mami, basta pagka gusto ko yung maganda. So, bahala siya. Ako naman, basta tawagin nila ni Julia, ay hindi ko nakikita, oo. Galing nila eh. Coco is a genius. I mean, in the real sense of the word. I have never worked with someone. I was so amazed and provincial. Pinapanood ko siya. Shoot kami ng eksena. Lahat kami kasama yung Atila. All-star ka. The guy was narrating the dialogue of each star to his assistants. And two assistants writing down what he said. It would go, si Michael sabi nito, si General sabi nito, si Lolo ganito. Tapos, may camera mo, closing niya to. Tapos acting siya, rehearsal. Ikot siya. O tapos shot dito, medium, tapos ganyan. Tapos siya. Sabi ko, oh my God. O, parang, kasi siya nagsusulat, siya ang direktor, tapos artista siya. I have never in my whole life seen someone who was such a genius at what he was doing. And this happened every single day.
On the spot.
On the spot. Or he would, kunyari, after taping, after he had a full taping day, he would have a meeting with the staff. And dictate bukas yung dialogue. Ako, artista lang, hilong-hilo na ako sa ginagawa ko. Parang, oh my God, talagang si Coco, I bow the respect and admiration. Super. Once in a life.
You both worked with Coco and Julia.
Oh, sorry. The only other person I know who was like that was FJ. But he already had his own script writers. He just really, amended some, revised some. That was fine. But he was still directing, acting. But Coco was, oh my God, Heinz.
You both worked with Julia and Coco, and recently, I think it was last December, they started opening up more about the relationship, and Coco was so vocal in saying how much he cares for Julia, na up to the point na sabi, ako nang bahalang bumuhay sa'yo, gawin mo na lang yung pangalan. How do you feel na? Kasi you've seen them. And
I'm actually very close to them. I don't ask questions. But I know a lot. No, they're like my kids. I mean, almost in the real sense of the word, kulang na lang pinanganak ko sila. So, all I will say is, I said I have a lot of admiration and respect for Coco, not only as a talented co-worker, but as a family member. They love each other very much. They're very happy together, and I wish them only the best and for this love to last forever. I don't like when people judge them because of the age gap, because I know when Juliet was new, she was younger, and she's in a much better place. I like to say. She says that too. Yeah, she's very much loved. She's such a queen. I love her.
Sharon, sa Megastar, may nilulook forward ka pa ba sa career mo?
Dati there was a promise of a project at my own. Pero pag ano pala magulo yung mga producers minsan, it's not worth it for me. Sa akin, bonus na lang yun. So if it doesn't push through, I'm fine. I'm very happy here. I'm fulfilled. Everything I'm doing now is a bonus. Every piece of work is really more of a passion project than something out of necessity. So when I miss doing concerts, I do concerts. When I miss acting, I ask if there's a movie or someone comes out. So I started in 1978 and acting in 1981. So I think I've touched on everything I wanted to do. Unless something surprises me in a different kind of role, then I'd be happy to do that. Yeah. So I don't know. I just go with signs. When I say I want to retire na, Lord, and then biglang, oh my God, there's this offer. Parang, di ba? Parang yan, sa 18 days, oh my God, okay. Lord, I'm tired. I'm not one. Oh, there's a more heart door? Okay. So I'm just always grateful. Always grateful.
Aside from having in-life, ma'am, ano pa yung ini-envision mo before your retirement? Ano yung mga plans mo para sa retirement? Na I hope hindi ka pa mag-retire.
I think my husband talaga told me once, sabi niya, when you say you want to retire, if you're tired, why don't you just take some time off? And I'm like, oo nga no, pwede naman kahit 1 year magpahinga, and I've done that already. Pero oo nga, ba't pa gusto ko full stop, tapos pag nainip ako, sabihin ko na lang, parang I wanna act again. So parang I'm taking it day by day. I'm not in the rat race anymore of show business. Hindi na ako nakikipupunahan noon. Dati you had so many expectations, so you had to really live up to all of them. You had to, minsan kalaban mo sa box office, sarili mo. Kailangan, you had to break your own record. So, now I'm just, give me a role. I'm just excited. Like Miranda's different. First time I ever did something like that, and I'm so happy to do it. So, ako, kasi maipon talaga ako. Tsaka ma-invest ako bata pa. I have a very good guide in my family. So, I already, interesado ako sa investment bata pa.
Amisha, how would you react to Filipinos' parents making their children their retirement?
I feel bad about that. I feel bad about that. When my kids na they make me lang, this yung mama, we're gonna take care of you. Oh, honey, I don't expect you to do that. Because I'm working so hard for you guys. But I think it's also right for a child. Like, I did it. But I didn't really have to take care of my parents day to day. But when there was a big bill like a medical bill, a hospital, oh my God, these are my parents. I mean, without their guidance and their love and the way they raised me, I don't think I would have come as far as I have. But I think kailangan din sa atin yung filial piety. It's just in our culture. And I'm sorry, kahit anong sabihin mo, may utang na rin pa sa magulang. So, siguro hindi naman like me, they know I don't need their money. Pero yung the mere thought na naisip nila, so like Frankie, when she got her first paycheck, it was 20,000 in cash. But when she got home, I said, wow, Mama, you were paid. She was giving the whole amount to me. She said, it's my first one. Oh my God. Just give us 1,000, we'll split it. So I go, and then you keep that. Half of it you can spend for what you want, half of it just keep it muna. You're teaching them, just the gesture. Just the generosity. Yes, the generosity. Parang nakakaano lang ng dibdib, di ba? Parang, or someone will say, Mom, you can use my savings muna. I'm like, oh no, di ba? If I ever borrow money from you, I will pay with interest, but I never have So it's just cute na they're aware and they're very willing and there's so much trust and respect. So yun lang, I think don't ignore your parents. Iba naman yung talagang neglect ka, tulad pakialam sa'yo. Iba naman yun, syempre case-to-case basis. Pero yung talagang nandyan from the beginning, magulang.
Sharon, you teach your children to make an investment. And kung meron man po kayong ituturo, what kind of investment? Also with Miss Case Conception also.
I taught Casey even before she graduated from college. So when she graduated, I said when we get home, because we were in Paris, I said when we get home, I'm turning over to you all your savings. Not 1 peso less. So kung ano nang tinubo sa pag-invest ko nung inabot ko na. So and she knew, I said, maliit pa siya because how we separated. So po, I want you to grow up knowing you're a very strong woman. You don't need a man to support you. You can work for yourself and your own future. And if you meet somebody that's worth spending the rest of your life, you can go ahead, just be happy. But at least wala nang problema. You don't have to find someone who's wealthy, just someone decent who will love you. Yun. So all my kids mula nang maliit, sila Frankie, sila Riel. There was a time, kunyari, when Frankie was maybe 4 or 5, she wanted a toy electric guitar. Music talaga, she does that now. And we said, we're gonna pay for half of it. The half you have to pay for. Alam mo, gumawa siyang mga turon, nabenta siya, tsaka banana. Miel, she used to sell cookies also in bazaars near our village. Miel would sell banana shakes. Make them herself, not her yaya. Her yaya was a company, pero siya lahat. Pag may pabili, tatayo siya in a bazaar. And Miguel also started selling ice candy in school pag merong fair. Alam nila.
And
So,
so, importante.